Just acquired a pair of these Magnavox 1048 tube reel-to-reel tape decks, both stored for 10 years unused. And of course what has saved them is they come in a case, very sturdy case, and that has probably saved the life of it. Anyway, I've powered it up on a Variac, and I've got play running. As of yet, no sound. So something coming through the speakers there, but interesting machine. Weighs about 65 pounds. I'm not joking. Some guy put one of these up on tapeheads.net a long time ago, and he said he needed a forklift truck to pick them up, which is right. So I'm not sure exactly what the buttons are here. Take that stop. Rewind. Now I've lost play again. Oh, that's because the plug on the back, I've got a loose plug on the back here. See that? Alright, which one's play? Right. Rewind, that's record. That's play, that one. But not picking anything up from the heads. See if I can just pull this off a minute. Switch here.